today I have a $40 squishy grab bag for you from squishyshop.com. I'm going to be opening it. I have done a $30 one, but I have never done a $40 one. This was supposed to be my birthday present. My birthday's October the 5th. But I got it today because I asked my mum and she said yes, because usually I'm at my dad's for my birthday, so I wanted to open it now for you guys to all see. I have not looked. It's sealed right here, sealed here, everything's sealed. So I'm just gonna open it up for you guys. So that's that. So I'm gonna open it. Very hard packaging, but haven't looked. Okay, I'm not looking. Have the first peek. Okay, first squishy I grab out. Oh my god, guys! I got a Punimaru little banana. Oh my god! Comes with this cute charm. It's the pink version. I don't think I want to take it out, but I'll try and once it rises, I'll just. Oh my god! I'm gonna try and open it actually, because none of my squishies aren't open except for my marshmallows from Cutie Creative. Oh, that made me really sad, but oh well. Oh my god, guys, has Cheeky Sun and everything. It's a little King Cheeky. Aww. But he's little on this one. I think this is rare, isn't it? So cute. Aww. Very cute. It's nice. I think it's strawberry. So cute. That's that. Really like that so far. I'm not looking again. First, next thing. Whoa! This is a Cutie Creative Cutie Tummy series. It says. I'm going to open it. I'm going to keep this packaging. Ziploc bag, which is really cute. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's a bit on the dense side. Oh, it's a bit on the dense side. But it's really cute. Oh. I think it's a baby version. Oh, very airy. Hear this out. Wow. Smells like nothing. It smells like... No, it smells like chemically... I can't say. Chemical stuff. I don't know. Doesn't smell like an actual squishy that's not scented. It smells like chemicals. That's that one. Next squishy. It's this one. Oh, this is so cute. This is the Fluff Toast. I think there's 3 kinds. I forgot the other 2. I think there's mustard or something. I don't know. I know there's, I think there's peanut butter. I don't know. I think I got jam, if I'm correct. I'm going to open this. Very cute. Oh wow, like this stuff is like kind of plasticky. It's pretty cool. I love fluff. I want to show you. So cute. Very squishy. Smells like nothing really. This plastic smells weird. It's not a good smell. It's like a plastic smell. That's that one. Very squishy, very soft. I like it. 3 so far. Let's get another one out. Oh no! I have one of these. I might be selling one. And I really like it, but they're really cute. They're called Pepper Cha-Cha Bonbons. This one's the rainbow version. I really want the galaxy and I want the breads of it too. They're very squishy. More squishier than all of my squishies. And very slow rising. So that's that one. I might be selling this. So if you go to my school, you can buy that. Next one. Oh my god, guys. No. What the heck? What the heck? It's an eye bloom squishy and moosh. I don't know how to pronounce that. Ashkar Court? I don't know. Oh my god, guys. I'm so happy. Got one duplicate, but that's alright. This makes up for it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god. I was going to get the jumbo version, but then I decided not to because it was so expensive. It's like $25. But, oh my god. I love this. Smells like chocolate. To me, anyway. Oh my god. Look how slow rising. Ready? Oh my god. This is so cute. I love it. Very, very squishy, soft, and slow rising. It looks really cute too. Little bit of gold specks. Very cute. Next squishy. Oh my god. I've been wanting a marshmallow. Oh my god. Oh, get out of the way. Oh my god. This is so good. This grab bag. I was actually, like, no kidding, I had it in my cart. Because I do karate, so I had the marshmallow in karate costume in my cart. But I didn't pay for it. But I'm really happy I got this one. It's the Angel Marshmallow. Melly, I don't know if it's the boy marshmallow or the girl. I think it's the girl because she has eyelashes. I think it is. Very cute. I'm going to take it out of packaging. This has Ziploc. Don't trick me there. Woo! I was about to ruin the packaging. Oh no, it ripped. Oh well. I don't usually use the stuff anyway. Doesn't come with a tag, but it does come with a keychain. It has little wings. Aww. Very cute. So cute. So cute. I love this package so far. What else is there? Got another duplicate that I might be selling. I have it here. See? I might be selling this one. It's a fluff bun. I think it's Galaxy, but it might just be blue and pink. Very cute. Has this tag. So if you go to King Cumber PS, You can maybe buy that off me. Last squishy. Oh my god! Another fluff. So it doesn't come with a tag, this one, but it's fluff frosted buns. Got the banana design. Yeah, banana. I've seen these around. Very cute. I'm going to take this out too. I can't believe I've got all this stuff, but I'm so happy. This is totally worth the money. Seriously. Even this would be like $10 here, just this squishy. This would be like 20. So that's 30 already with 2 squishies. This is like 13. Like that's already more than $30. Plus we got all of these too. So I'm just going to quickly show you them. So I got this. Oh my god, I love this one. Got this. Then you're supposed to hold it like that. So he's actually laying on it. Got this. Got this one, which is a duplicate. So I'm not going to be opening. Got this one, duplicate. Not going to be opening. Got this one. Got this one. And I got this one. So, my favourite one has to be this one. I love it. Oh, no, it's a tie actually. I love this one too. But they're very good. I love them. I suggest you go and grab a grab bag. Yeah, and I love them so much. Look at the mess here. Oof. Yeah, messy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, go and press subscribe and then press the notification bell to see all of my uploaded videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and see ya. Have a nice day.